What's good, internet? I'm here again with another beautiful tutorial where I share design tips using the designs I saved during the week. I'm sure you guys are going to learn from this tutorial, so let's start. I saved this design from Pinterest, and the reason why this is successful to me is because of the way the designer played with the use of light tone and dark tones. And when I'm talking of light tone and dark tones, I'm referring to the use of the same color in the project with different value. The same color we have here is still the same color we have here, but the value is what is different. And this really made the project look successful. And another thing that really made this project look successful to me is the use of silhouettes to create drama, all right, to create a scene. And that really made this project look successful. All right, so that's the reason why I love this design. So let's go straight to our next design. In graphic design, one of the ways you can help your viewers find it easy to navigate through the information in your project is through making color serve as code. And that's what this designer did well here with red. The designer made it easy for us to spot the date in the project by making the date have one color. We were able to know that the parts where we have red in the project are the dates. And that's what this designer did here. The designer was able to help us spot the dates in the project by applying red to the dates. Made it easy for us to know that the year is still part of the family of the dates, that we have here. This is a beautiful touch. And another thing I love about the design is how the designer used bold style to create space and group the informations together. And look at this. So he was able to do this right by using this bold style here and make us know that yes, everything under the bold style are together, all right, like they are together. And then look at how he was able to use this to create space. So we have the same bold style here with another set of information under it. So this is group 1 and this is group 2, and this really made the project balanced and successful. So whenever you're working on design project and you want to group elements together, there are several ways you can do it. You can use color to group them, and you can also use bold style, or you can use style from your character to create space and group your elements together. So let's go straight to our next design. All right, so the reason why I so much love this design is because of the way the designer play with the elements, all right, the way the designer pay attention to details. And I'm saying this here because of the way the designer plays the title around the plate here. And like I always say to you guys, whenever you have illustration you want to use in your project, as a designer, it's always best to take your time to see how you can unite all the elements you're using in the project to make it look like they belong together. And that's what this designer did here. So because we have this round plate here, the designer followed the part of the plate and placed the title around the plate, which really made this project look successful. And another thing the designer did here that really made the project look successful is the applying of this shadow that we have above the title here that made it look like yes, it's the same shadow that we have from the plate here. This small move here really made unity balance in the project. And there's another design from the same designer, which is this. All right, so the reason why I so much love this is still the same thing I shared on the previous design, that as a designer it's always best to pay attention to the illustration you're using in your project. In fact, your illustration is what should shape your layout. So this designer was able to do this right by making this sticker title here look like it's pasted on this wood here. And another thing that he did well here is by making this plate here overlap on the title, and this really made it look like the title and the other elements in the project are together. So whenever you're putting together elements in graphic design, do not put elements together like a novice where you just put it there and feel okay, I just want everything to be there. No. This is how you're going to do it. Whenever you're working on design projects, know you are creating a scene, know you're creating a picture. All right. And if you have this in your mind whenever you are placing the elements in your project, trust me, you will find yourself achieving successful design projects. All right. See that screen. All right. See that your monitor as a window to a three-dimensional world where things that are bigger are things that are closer to you, and things that are smaller are things that are far from you. If you learn to work this way, you'll find yourself achieving good design projects that will draw the attention of the viewers to read other information in your project and make clients retain you. This is where I'm going to stop. The design I reviewed in this video, you can find the link to those designs in the description section of this video. And please, guys, check out more designs from these designers. I believe the more you do this, the more you're going to grow as a designer. I'm glad you made it to the end of this tutorial, and I'm sure you learned something from this video. If you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post my tutorials. If there's anything you want to share with me, drop it in the comment section of this video and hit the like button if you love the video. And please, guys, share this video with other creatives. Let them also learn from this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.